To install Adobe Photoshop, you need to download the folder. Okay, so mag-zip yan siya sa baba. May nakikita kayong zipping file. Okay, so kung mag-check na yan siya, magkakaroon kayo ng dalawang folders, which is yung 358 MB at 1.9 gig. Okay, so antayin nyo lang na ma-download siya. And then once you have downloaded, magkakaroon kayo ng dalawang zip files, which is yung Adobe Photoshop 001 at 002. So ngayon, you have to extract both zip files, no? Right click, then extract here. So mag-extract na yan siya, yung zip files ninyo, and you just have to wait lang para ma-extract yung mga folders sa zip files natin. So after that, magkakaroon kayo ng dalawang folders, which is yung in-extract yung 001 at 002. So yan yung mga laman niya. Second folder, may products folder at may ACR folder. So cut nyo yung Adobe Camera Raw. Okay, i-cut nyo siya. So katapos nyan, punta kayo sa first folder ninyo, then click products, then click ACR folder, then dyan nyo siya i-paste yung kinat yung Adobe Camera Raw. So ayan siya, nakat na siya. So pagkatapos yan, you have to run the setup file. Okay, run as administrator, then continue. So mag-install na yung Photoshop 2021 ninyo. So you have to be patient while installing the software. Okay. Okay, so pag na-install na yung software ninyo to 100%, kakaroon kayo ng install complete daw, sabi ng ano. After that, right now, para ma-activate yung software, go to resources at copy nyo yung adobe.dll. Okay, copy nyo yan siya. Search for Adobe Photoshop. Okay, search for Adobe Photoshop. Right click, open file location. Click nyo yung open file location. Then after that, right click, open file location again. So dyan nyo siya i-right click and paste. Dyan nyo i-paste yung DLL file na kinapi. Continue lang kayo. Okay, so after that, pwede na ninyong magamit yung Adobe Photoshop nyo kasi activated na po siya. So lifetime siyang magagamit. Okay, so ayan, open nyo lang at there you go. You have your Adobe Photoshop activated na po siya. Thank you.